Use our production platform to be faster, more reliable and scalable. Look how it works. After you have registered and logged in, you will see the overview of your products. This is of course empty at the beginning, but you can start creating your first product right from here. Start with your final product. In the product details you can name it and add a description. For a parent product that will be assembled, the quantity is always 1. Here you can specify internal references such as SKU or barcode. Now select the production process. For a product consisting of several individual components that need to be assembled, select Assembly here. We offer both robotic and manual assembly. For manual assembly, make a time specification in minutes for the duration of the assembly process for one product. Otherwise, you only need to upload the assembly instructions and, if desired, add additional documents or information and save. You will then be directed to the overview of your product structure and can add the first component of your product. If you have already created parts before, you can simply add them at this point. Otherwise, create a new component. Proceed here in the same way as just shown. Enter the quantity according to how often the part is used in one product. The base plate in this case is a CNC machine part. In CNC machining, you can choose between turning, drilling, milling and grinding. Then upload your 3D CAD file, preferably in step format, and select the material. If your material is not in the list, no problem. We will also source additional materials for you. To do this, select Custom and enter material name. For the surface, you can choose between normal and fine milling to achieve a lower roughness. If you have special requirements for tolerances, you must also upload a technical drawing. With a click on Save, you have created the first part of your product. In the product structure, you will see the part as a component of the parent product. Create then all required components following this procedure. In the next step you can order your product. To do that, first specify the quantity. If you need suppliers with specific certifications, you can select them in the next step. For the delivery, you can specify 2 dates, the desired delivery date and the date you need your product at the latest. You can distinguish between billing and delivery address if necessary. Finally, for urgent requests, you can prioritize your process. After completing the request, you will see an overview of the request details. Here you can also track your order and see all status updates. Now you can sit back and relax, because we will take care of the rest until you receive your product.